All right, welcome back, Math Z, step by step. This is part 18 video where you're going to pause and practice the problem you see here in front of you. So finding the product, pause and practice. We got coefficient 2.5 times 10 to the positive 7 times 1.5 coefficient times 10 to the negative 4. What is the first and then the second step in order to solve for the product? I'll be right back with that answer. All right, so step one is we want to multiply those two coefficients, 2.5 times the 1.5. So let's just get right into it. 5 times 5 is 25. I put the 5 down here. I carry the 2 over. I'm going to add it to my next product. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Before I can multiply with that digit number 1, I got to put a placeholder of 0 here. Now, what's 1 plus 5 is 5. What's 1 times 5 is 5. What's 1 times 2 is 2. Now we can add these values together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. How many digits to the right of the decimal? There were 2. So I show that invisible decimal, move it 2 places to the left. My new coefficient is 3.75. Hey, what's that step 2 we got to take in this particular problem? All right, step 2 is to multiply those exponents with the base of 10. The basis is the same, it stays the same, and you add the exponents when you multiply these values. So 7 plus a negative 4. Let's say you have $7. You loaned out $4. How many dollars are you left with? You're left with $3. Or 7 plus a negative 4 is a positive 3. Hey, let's put these two together to create our scientific notation. Check to see if it follows the rules. And we have finished this first example problem. All right, as you can see here, we have a coefficient of 3.75 times 10 to the third power. This is our product. This is the answer to a multiplication problem, more specifically the scientific notation. If you've liked these videos and they've helped you, please like, follow, share, subscribe. Share these videos with others so I can help others understand that math is easy. You take it step by step. Thank you for your time.